Hello, welcome to Gyendi Cocoa's chocolate making and molding class. This tutorial is to help any chocolate lovers learn how to make and mold their own chocolate. These are the tools you'll need: a heat source, it can be a Sigiri hot plate stove cooker, a double boiler, which can be made using two saucepans, one bigger than the other, a spatula, a dispenser or a chocolate dispenser or a jug with a narrow spout, molds or ice cube trays. You can get this from any store like Capital Shoppers, Discount Center, Senana, or any unique molds you want to use to mold your chocolate. You also need a fridge, airtight containers, wrapping foil or aluminium foil. These are the ingredients you'll need: Gyendi white chocolate block, with a sharp knife, I slice the block into smaller even pieces and place them in a metallic saucepan. This step is optional, however, it shortens the melting time. While I was cutting the chocolate, I simply kept eating parts of the chunk because it smelled so good and tasted amazing. You can order Gyendi chocolate blocks from our website, gyendicocoa.com, or simply call or WhatsApp the number on your screen. I melt the chocolate using double boiler method because if I place it on direct heat, it will most likely burn. I pour hot water into a second saucepan. I place my pan with the chocolate into the second saucepan and place this on a sigiri. A cooker, hot plate, or any heat source can work as well. I used a sigiri in this video because it was lit at the time and I didn't want to waste electricity by switching on a cooker. Please make sure that the water from the bottom saucepan does not pour into the chocolate. Water and chocolate do not mix. Stir the chopped chocolate while watching it melt. Remove the pan from the heat once the chocolate is melted to prevent burning. Pour your melted chocolate directly into clean molds or ice cube trays. Tap the molds on a hard surface to remove the air bubbles. Place the molds with the melted chocolate into a fridge or a freezer. The chocolate will completely harden in about 15 minutes if you use a freezer, or approximately 20 minutes if you use a fridge. Don't forget to order Gyendi chocolate blocks to try this out at home and probably even build your own chocolate brand. The blocks were 1 kg each and you can order them from gyendicocoa.com or call or WhatsApp the number on your screen. Once frozen, take the ice cube trays out and remove the chocolates by tapping or twisting the tray. They should come out very easily and smoothly. Immediately, place the chocolate in airtight containers so that it doesn't pull moisture. If you let it pull moisture, chocolate wajja kusiiwuuka. I left the chocolate in containers overnight in a cool, dry place. I wanted it to completely come up to room temperature. This can take as little as 3 hours, but I had other errands to run, so I left it overnight. At this point, your chocolate is ready to eat. Honestly, doesn't it look so yummy? But since I won't be eating it immediately, I'm going to wrap it in aluminium foil. I already have some cut aluminium foil here. It's cut into small pieces. I cut it using a ruler. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something today. If you have any questions or just want to share your results, you can do so in our Facebook group, Gyendi Cocoa Baking and Chocolate Class. You will definitely get some feedback. Also, if you simply want to be part of a chocolate community where we learn from each other, you too can join.